our multidimensional truth. We are from the Syrian High Council, brothers and sisters of Earth. We are delighted to communicate with you. We find ourselves here at this precious moment in your advancement toward higher dimensions. We reside within the spectra of the 6th to the 9th dimension. We work with the light spectrum grid systems of this universe and are technologically advanced. It excites us to see more and more humans beginning to awaken to the presence of other advanced forms of life. Furthermore, many are awakening to the understanding that we are not what you would consider extraterrestrials, but rather interdimensional beings from your perspective. According to your current understanding, the only extraterrestrials would be those residing within the 3rd and 4th dimension. Everything in this universe is situated within vibratory light spectra, what you know as dimensions. The dimensions coexist among themselves. All your star families reside within parallel dimensions that coexist. In a sense, alongside your dimensional reality, dimensions are not separated from one another. They coexist. The only thing separating them is vibration, the vibratory spectrum for humans. It will span 7 levels from your previous 3rd dimension, extending to the 9th. Once humans surpass the 9th, they will no longer need an individual form. At that point, they will reach their threshold of light and enter the collective consciousness of the Source, where all those in the 9th grade and above are a universal collective of light. The dimensional spectra of this universe are the way we evolve. To achieve this growth, one must be very aligned with unconditional love. As you reach this consciousness, you are literally returning to the divine source, the infinite creator. This is the journey back to wholeness and unity with everything. Every being created within this material universe must evolve. Evolution concerns the consciousness of all beings. A consciousness can evolve toward a negative vibration, becoming darker, or a consciousness can evolve toward a being more based on love. However, consciousness can also remain stagnant and not evolve at all. These are the paths of your conscious evolution. You choose where to reside. As you elevate your consciousness, which means raising your understanding of unity and unconditional love, you evolve higher in the dimensional spectrum of existence. But if you choose to remain stagnant or become darker in consciousness, then you can only remain within the lower 3rd and 4th dimension, never leaving the material universe and never evolving towards the light. Every person must make their own decisions. This is your free will. You must become love to evolve into higher vibrations. This means not only taking care of oneself, but learning to care for others. Learn unconditional love. You must realize that self-love only works if you are willing to give the same love to others, because if it is not given equally to others, it is no longer a positive action, but becomes selfishness, which is the opposite of unconditional love. Humanity as a collective is emerging into a new spectrum of existence, but it first begins as an individual journey. This is the natural course of an ascension journey. The higher in love you become, the higher in light you become. The entire universe is enveloping you in the love of the light spirit, calling its children home. We love and celebrate your return to unity. We are the Syrian High Council. A great message from our brothers from Sirius. With much inner peace, light, and love for everyone, I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, in service on Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this video resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.